Today in history. 23rd February 2010. Gloomy and overcast. River Lambro, northern Italy. Dear Diary, today was a really scary day because something awful happened. I heard that some bad people dumped a huge amount of diesel oil into the River Lambro, and it made the water dirty and unsafe. They say this event will be known as the River Lambro oil spill, and it made everyone worried about our environment. I could see the dark water from my house, and it looked really strange and wrong. The River Lambro is important to all of us in the town because it is where we fish, play, and get water. It runs through a lot of cities in northern Italy, including my town, and a lot of wildlife live there. Some people think the criminals who did this wanted to get rid of their waste without caring how it would hurt the river or the animals. I heard adults talking about how people don't always follow rules about keeping our earth clean, and that made me sad. That morning, I was playing outside with my friends when we noticed the river looked different. It was really cloudy, and the water was a horrible dark color. Later, I heard a loud noise as trucks were moving nearby, and I asked my dad what was happening. He told me he thought something bad was going on and that we should stay away from the river. It felt like something was wrong in our nice town. When I got home, I watched the news with my family. They showed pictures of the dirty river and talked about how the police were trying to find out who did this. I felt so worried and confused because I couldn't understand why someone would hurt our river like that. I thought about all the fish and animals living in the water, and I didn't like thinking they could be in danger. My friend Sophia was really upset because her family loves going fishing in the River Lambro. She said they won't be able to go there for a long time now, and she started crying. I didn't know how to make her feel better, so I hugged her and promised we could find somewhere else to play. It's just sad knowing that something like this could stop all the fun we have by the river. Throughout the day, the adults in our town were working hard to clean the river and make sure no more oil spilled into it. They seemed really serious and worried, which made me think this was really important. I couldn't go down to the river myself, but I could see all the people busy trying to save it from getting even worse. I hope they can fix everything quickly and make it safe again.